Pardon this interruption. I just wanted to let you all know that if you would like, use the link in the description for 10% off your entire Glossier purchase. Okay, that's it. Hey guys, it's Anne and welcome back to another video of mine, and today's video, which is going to be a Glossier unboxing and haul. In other words, I'm broke now. So basically, obviously, today is going to be an unboxing slash haul. I kind of already unboxed it, so it's sort of an unboxing, but not really. Basically, Glossier offers free shipping over $40, which is not too bad in terms of shipping. It took about 1 week to arrive here in Canada. I ordered it on October 13th and it arrived October 21st, so like around a week. This video is not sponsored in any way, but if you guys would like to get 10% off your first purchase, then just use my link in the description box below. I also just really like Glossier because their like motto or motto is like skin first, makeup second. And like the glowy, dewy skin is like what Glossier's brand is like known for. Basically, their makeup products are meant to be something that you put on for fun and that you do, not the fix to making your face somewhat better. Anyways, let's just get on to the unboxing and haul. I have started with just a fresh face of no makeup, and I'm just gonna peruse through all of these products that I got and explain to you guys what I think of them and do like a demo. So this is what the box looks like on the outside. It's just like a plain white box, and then it's got tape that says Glossier on the side, and then you just open it up, and then the main flap has a Glossier or the word Glossier on it, and then of course you've got the iconic pink like bubble bag, and then inside on the bottom of the box there's just like a cute little smiley face with a wave on it, and then they always include stickers, so I just have this like Glossier word sticker, and then also a cloud paint sample, which you can actually select which samples you want. I just decided to pick the cloud sample one with the color Storm and Puff. And I didn't actually realize that I actually ordered the color Storm, so I didn't really need to get the sample of it, but it's okay. So I basically got 5 products from Glossier, and it's kind of like a full face. It's just there's no bronzer, I'd say, and like face powder, but other than that it's basically a full face. So the first thing that I got is the Stretch Concealer. So it's called the Glossier Stretch Concealer, and it comes in 12 shades, with G1 being the richest shade and then G12 being the lightest shade, and I got mine in the shade G9. So it just comes in this like, super cute packaging, which is what Glossier is kind of known for, like slick pink packaging, which, you know, it kind of reflects off my backdrop here today. And the concealer is just in this like glass pot. It's kind of similar to like the Benefit concealer, I think. And yeah, it's just really nice. And what I really like about this is that it's like super light coverage, but it's buildable, and it looks like really natural when you have it on. Basically, you can achieve that like no makeup look, that like, ooh, I woke up like this, but I didn't. So basically, hello. And then you can just put it on under your eyelid, and it just kind of makes it look brighter, but like it's not super different, and it's not like super like in your face, I've got makeup on kind of thing. I am breaking out a little bit today, so it's actually kind of good because you can see whether it covers up those spots or not, which it does do a decent job in covering up your pimples, but like still shows through. Up close and personal. The second product that I have is the Cloud Paint, which I know a lot of people really like this blush, and this retails for $22, and I got it in the shade Storm because I feel like I just really like reddish brick tone shades, and the packaging is adorable, and it's just this like holographic, not holographic, like just shiny metallic packaging with the clear case on top. And the bottle is kind of small, I would say, like in my hand, like it's like almost as big as my palm. But my hands are kind of big, so. But it is 10 milliliters, but I have to say you literally need like the tiniest amount to like put all over your face. There are 6 shades in total, which is Beam, Haze, Dusk, Puff, Dawn, and Storm. And I do use it sometimes on my lips as well, and I've heard some people use it as eyeshadow, but I feel like if I put that on my eyelids, it'll just look like my eyelids are swollen. Like literally this much will like last a lot. So you put it on here, like so. And then I can put a little bit on my lips too. And just kind of blend it out. Yeah, I think it just looks really natural. Like it literally looks like I either drank too much or I just like, you know, I'm just really cold. So one of the two. And then the third product is another super popular product, which is the Halo Scope. And this highlighter retails for $27, which is kind of pricey, but I don't use like highlighter all over my face, so I'm sure it'll last me like a pretty long time. I also got it in a set though with the lip gloss that I got. So basically it was $39, so I saved $5 in total because the lip gloss is $17 separately, and then the Halo Scope is $27 separately. So if you buy in a set, it's $39, so you're saving $5. But I got the Halo Scope in the shade Quartz, and there's 3 shades in total, which is Moonstone, Quartz, and Topaz. So it also, like, what I really like about it is, again, it's like super natural. It's like, it literally just looks like you sweat a good amount in the right spots, and it's like a super dewy finish. Or like it's kind of like you put glittery Vaseline on in a way. I don't know, I just feel like it's really cute. And it's not too dry, not too glittery, just like a good glow from within. On the nose. And then I also like to put it in my inner corners. Just really makes it, see, if you compare it, just like a nice pop. And then the second last product that I got is the Boy Brow, which is also another like bestseller item from Glossier, and it retails for $20, and it is basically like a brow gel brush, kind of like the Benefits Boy Brow. And I got it in the shade brown, and it comes in 3 shades: clear, brown, and black, or 4 shades actually. It comes in clear, brown, black, and blonde. And what I really like is like it creates like, I'm not really good at also drawing on my brows, so this is just like a really nice, like easy, like you don't really have to worry that much. You get that fluffy thick brow look, that like Taylor Hill brow. Yeah. And then the last, but definitely not the least product, is the Glossier lip gloss, which is honestly probably one of the best lip glosses I've ever had, and honestly I don't have that many lip glosses. It is so nice, and it retails for $17, and it comes in 3 shades, which is clear, red, and hollow. It looks like super red in the bottle, but trust me, it's literally like just like a really nice natural red color. It's kind of like My Lips but better kind of thing. I'm also just gonna finish off this look with my Glossier Lash Slick, which I bought before, and I do have a haul on that where I got this mascara. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and call it a day. Alright, so basically that is all that I have for today's Glossier unboxing and haul video. But basically, I think that mainly part of why Glossier's products are a little bit on the pricier side is because it's a 100% cruelty-free brand. Most of their products are vegan, and their packaging is eco-friendly. So That is kind of part of why it's a little bit on the pricier side, but even at that, it's not that bad compared to, you know, like other brands at Sephora. I definitely want to try out Milk makeup products too, but that will be when I get some money. Anyways, this is basically the finished look. The basically full face of Glossier makeup look. But yeah, basically, if you guys enjoyed watching today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends. And ciao!